So Alistair didn't have enough capacity with his existing system, and what we've done is we've added that capacity with panels that we've installed. Alistair was also looking to upgrade the existing system that's on his roof, and that will give him additional capacity. So basically it's the capacity to charge the batteries, run the system, and then be able to run the house. The batteries that were there were the lead acids. We've replaced it with lithium, so that Alistair now has a better performing battery, a battery that charges quickly because they have a better performance, and again, increasing the capacity for the house. So we added additional panels on the tilt frame, again facing north, to increase the capacity of their system. It's an off-grid system, so they obviously want to run a few more things. It's just a matter of improving the quality of the system that they had there. It was, I think, 10 or 11 years old when we got to it, so it's just a few upgrades. And then again, putting panels on the roof that are going to last the distance. I think it's basically pushing it to the point where we say, okay, well, this will last you 25 years, but it's also the performance, the temperature performance or the coefficients that means he's going to get a better performance out of the panels for the time that they're on his roof.